Welcome to Canary Bungalow. Book your stay easily with the QR code displayed now, or find the link in the description below. Located on the beautiful Phu Quoc Island, this 5-star hotel offers a perfect blend of relaxation and adventure. You're just 4 kilometers from the city center, offering easy access to local attractions, yet still immersed in the tranquility of nature. Getting here is a breeze. It's only a 20-minute drive from the airport. Canary Bungalow features 11 elegantly designed rooms, each crafted for comfort and luxury, ensuring an intimate atmosphere. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, and check-out is at a convenient 12 p.m., allowing you a relaxed morning. Families, you're in luck. Children aged 1 to 6 stay free, making this a fantastic option for a family vacation. Enjoy your mornings with included breakfast and take advantage of the convenient on-site parking. For a quicker start to your vacation, they also offer express check-in. Don't miss out on this idyllic retreat. Remember to scan the QR code now to book your stay at Canary Bungalow.